First rule, if x square plus y square is equal to c square and x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intersect at a comma b, then find ab and hence reduce the condition that the line touches the circle. So if x square plus y square is equal to c square, what is x square plus y square is equal to c square? This is the circle equation. So this is one circle is given and x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the straight line equation. The line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 intersects the circle at the point a comma b. Then find ab. Find AB means we want to find the length of the card. Since it is the card, we want to find the length of the card. Length of the card formula 2 root r square minus t square. And hence deduce the condition that the line touches the circle. So deduce the condition that the line touches the circle means, for example, further first I am CD. That is, if the line A comma B moves towards the point B, then it comes to the point C, the point A comes to the point C, and the point B comes to the point D, then what we observe from the diagram, clearly the length of the card decreases when the card comes to the point B. Similarly, when the point C and the point A comes to the point D, then the card becomes the tangent of the circle. That is, if the card becomes the tangent of the circle, then the length of the card becomes 0. Length of the card becomes 0. That is the condition for the card to be a tangent to the given circle. Now coming to the answer, first we have taken the given circle. Given circle is x square plus y square is equals to c square. So we are comparing the circle equation, x square plus y square is equals to r square. Then center is equals to 0, 0 and radius r is equals to c. Next we are taking the given line. Given line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, which implies x by a plus y by b minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we are finding the length of the card by taking the formula 2 root r square minus t square. Already we have the value of r, so we want the value of d now. So finding the value of d, what is d? D is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the given line. Perpendicular distance from center. Center is equal to 0, 0. 0, 0 to given line. Given line is x by a plus y by b minus 1 equals to 0. That is d is equals to. Now finding the perpendicular distance value, that is substituting the minus 0, 0 in the given line equation, then under modulus 0 plus 0 minus 1 by square root of x quotient 1 by a, y quotient 1 by b. X quotient whole square, that is 1 by a whole square plus y quotient whole square, that is 1 by b whole square. Equal to 1 by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, and this is equals to 1 by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, and this is equals to 1 by square root of, taking LCM, b square plus a square by a square b square, and this is root over a square plus b square, that is ab by square root of a square plus b square. This is the value of t. Therefore length of the card is equals to formula 2 root r square minus t square. So length of the card equals to 2 root r square minus t square. That is 2 into square root of r value c, r square, c square minus d square. D square value a square b square by a square plus b square. D is equal to a by square root of a square plus b square. Now taking the square to this state, a square b square by a square plus b square. Now this is the length of the card. And next condition for the card is to be a tangent. Condition for the card to be a tangent is, so condition for the card to be a tangent is length of the card is equals to 0. Length of card equals to 0. 2 root c square minus a square b square by a square plus b square is equal to 0. That is 0 by 2 becomes 0. Root over this value equal to 0. Squaring on both sides. Then this value is equals to 0, which implies c square is equals to a square b square by a square plus b square. Now taking the reverse of the fraction, that is 1 by c square is equals to. Now reversing the second fraction, a square plus b square by a square b square, which implies 1 by c square is equals to, now separating the denominator, a square by a square b square, which returns the value 1 by b square, plus b square by a square b square, which returns the value 1 by a square. Therefore the condition is 1 by c square is equals to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, which is the condition for the card to be a tangent to the given circle. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 2, 3, cutting a card length 2 units on the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 2, 3. Now this is the circle given that center is equals to minus 2 comma 3, and cutting a chord length 2 units on the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. One equation is given, one card is given. The equation of card is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0, and also given that the length of the card is equals to 2. What is length of the card formula? Length of the card is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. Given that 2 root r square minus d square is equal to 2, length of the card equals to 2. Then what is the equation of circle? So here we are using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square to find the equation of the circle. Already we know that the values of h comma k. Now it is enough to find the value of the radius to answer. So that is, so given that, first we are taking the given values, given that center is equals to minus 2 comma 3. That is, center is equal to minus 2 comma 3, and length of the card is equals to 2, and equation of card is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. So length of the card is equals to 4 means 2 root r square minus 2. Length of the card is equal to 2 means 2 root r square minus d square is equals to 1. That is, square root of r square minus d square is equals to 1. Now squaring on both sides, r square minus d square is equals to 1, which implies r square is equals to 1 plus d square. Now to get the value of r, we want the value of t. So we are finding the t value. What is d? D is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the given line. That is, perpendicular distance from center minus 2 comma 3 to the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. Equals to 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 by square root of a square plus b square, 3 square plus 4 square, and this is equals to under modulus minus 6 plus 12 plus 4 by square root of 9 plus 16, root 25. Now 16 minus 6, 10 by 5, that equals to 2. Already we have that r square is equal to 1 plus d square here. That is, r square is equals to 1 plus d square. 1 plus d is equal to 2. D square is equal to 4. That is, r square is equals to 5. Now we are finding the equation of circle. Therefore, equation of circle is formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So already here we have that center is equal to minus 2 comma 3. That is, x minus h is equal to minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus k is equal to 3 whole square is equals to r square value is equals to 5. Now taking the expansions, x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equals to 5. That is, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 9 plus 4 plus 13 equals to 5. That is, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 13 minus 5, that is plus 8 is equals to 0, which is the